I love how everyone is waiting over there. Gio, your car was here. Track open. Big yes. Hello. Ooh, sexy. Where do you think you're going? Where are you going? Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you taking him?
I'm taking him for a lap in his dream car.
That's my dream car.
Well, yeah.
But
in white.
Are you already actually dressed like?
Yeah, you're matching the car.
Yeah. Nürburgring traffic jam be like. Ooh, is that no, it's an MG.
It's a Rovar.
But I thought it was a Civic.
He got fooled.
Yeah. So I haven't done any TF car park vlog in like forever. Where are we going? Where's the ride? All the car spots. Ah, Doggo. Doggo spots are better than car spots. Doggo. Fancy color. I love how everyone is waiting over there for the track to open. Huh. It's fully empty. No one is letting anyone in. Sad. I actually finally made my season's tickets money worth because I cracked 100 laps, and that's, I think, kind of the break-even point. Because this year I'm not allowed to use it for laps with, well, the video, with the cars that I'm doing videos with. So everyone needs to buy their own ticket. And yeah, therefore I wanted to see if it's still gonna make sense for me to have one. Barely, I guess, barely. So I need to see if they're gonna increase the price next year. Maybe it won't make any sense, but who knows? Maybe I will build a project car for myself for next year, and then it all will make sense. Gio, your car was here. Maybe not really your car, but your type of car. Alright, Max Verstappen. I'm not gonna... Wow. International leaderboard of people driving the ring. How many of them are Greek?
1.
So it's 6:01. Track should be open, but there are still 2 tractors racing each other on the track. So let's see if it's actually gonna happen. It says it's open. Is it open? How? It's not. Heh. Wrong information. Maybe in a second. UK number 1, Spain number 2, Luxembourg number 3. Wow. Oh, Netherlands went up. So that's good. Yay! Track open. Ah, still need to go for a lap in this one. When are you taking me for a lap?
Sure, man, soon.
Okay. Yes, yes. Ooh, pinky. And a wing. And a wing. We're just gonna do the whole day car spotting here. Oh no. Oh. Hello, Norbert. Hello. Oh yes. Also yes. Big yes. I kind of start appreciating GT4 RSs. From Georgia. Wow. GT4 RS. GT4 RS. 46 wagon. Hello. Very fast. Very nice. Also fast. Unusual. Hello. Yum. GT4 RS. GT3. I think today, if we're gonna have a leaderboard, the highest amount is GT4 RS. Hello. That's a market. Nice. 901.1 with a big wing. That's an upgrade Manta Racing introduced actually much later in life, after the Gen 2 was released. Ooh, hello. Beautiful. Hello. 718 Boxster RS. Brum brum, hello. Oh. Okay. I mean, you're allowed to take kids, you're allowed to take also dogs, also newborns, because it's a public road.
Please have the correct chair for that.
Yeah, exactly. Correct chair, and to be fair, one day when I have kids, I will take them out on the last lap of the day. Oh, look at that. Hey Lappe, look, a hatch with a wing. And a diffuser. Track speed. Hello. Ah, look at that weapon. Mark IV Golf, yes. Ooh. Ooh. Cage no helmet. Oh, scary. Ah. Is that a Supra? Oh, is that a ZL1? No, I think not. Where is it? Anyway. Ooh, DC2. Yum. Oh, remember that car? Huh. Hello. Oh wow, Manta from Spain, nonetheless. Oh, that looks cool. Ducktail, beautiful. Another 4RS. That's an unusual choice of a vehicle. That's 2000. Ah, CSL. Not bad, not bad. A what? Vectra, right? Oh, a kid in the back. Hello. Ah, Alex is here. Hello. No dog on board. Fancy wheels, bro.
The laptop.
He's on the laptop. Oh yes. Maybe 36 is the most used or like driven car of today. Who knows? Hello. Hello, hello.
Right.
Good, how are you?
I'm very good. This is the Pink Pig. Viale Rosa.
Ah, nice.
Slowest car on the track today.
Don't say that. The first cars are coming back now, by the way. 750? Actually? Yep. Look, it's Alex Kirsten, but I'm from Dubai. What the hell? Ooh, sexy.
That's pretty.
Spoon MG. How do they all fit inside? Ah, big wing. That's a big yes. Big vibes. Influencers in the wild. Once again, the stats. I think today Greek is 0 point something %.
Perfect.
There you go.
Thank you. 10 horsepower more.
Yes.
Any car.
Is it right, Gio?
Oh yeah.
Does it say danger to manifold?
Maybe.
The cage is pretty cool. The shocks. Really good job on the cage. Makes me feel very safe and secure to let Gio out. Otherwise, no videos. See ya. Last final checks. Track closed. Huh. It's a bit too early. Not good.
Ladies and gentlemen, the track is closed now.
Oh, in German they said have a nice trip home. In English, no. Sad. Mini traffic jam for the exit. But the car park looks very nice and full now. One of the last days that we have nice weather until next weekend. He made it back and he's smiling. Ah, they tell him to go there. Oh no. Did you bring borscht?
What?
Did you bring borscht?
No, not today.
Okay, bye.
Hi, cheers.
For some reason I parked over there. I'm too lazy to walk. Here we have Renault Alpine. That's still something I wanted to show because Lapo seems to enjoy it. Looks good, huh?
I like quirky stuff.
Imagine with a wing. Actually it has a wing.
You need to leave it as it is.
You want to see what we're working on now? Stay tuned. It's gonna be something spicy. Anyway, what I want to say, it's been amazing. Actually, one of the first car park vlogs in a very long time. Felt weird to not drive, but good, nostalgic. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Maybe we can do something like that more often. Let's see if they can give some sort of opinion how it was. I need to go to him because the battery is dying. How was it? Best car ever. That's all we wanted to say.